Good afternoon, guys. I hope you guys are well. If you're new here, welcome to my vlog. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm starting this vlog here by the door because I'm heading out. We're going to the mall to run some errands, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. It's a Friday today, so yeah, I just wanted to welcome you guys. Don't mind my nails. Welcome, and we'll chat when we get there. This is a bit of everything that we got. We got some spinach. This is basically fresh produce and a couple of stuff. So yeah, we got some spinach, some evo, we got some lemons, apples, lettuce. We also got some pineapple, some cucumber. The reason why I got a lot of fresh produce is because I'm gonna start going to start to do meal preps. So yeah, we also got some apples, bananas, oranges, nakis, butternut, tomatoes, sweet potato, butternut, and then I've got oats there and muesli because I'd still have that during the weekend. Also got some salad dressing, some honey because I won't be having any sugar, some yogurt as well that I'll only be having on weekends, and then some habanero sauce. This sauce, guys, I get it from Checkers. It's literally the best hot sauce I've had. It has that chicken licken flavor, like the chicken licken hot sauce flavor, but it's nicer. It's very nice. So they sell it at Checkers. You should check it out. Also got some, these are Timu's stuff for school, for his snack during the day when he goes to school. And then this, I won't be having any red meat, but I wanted us to have lamb this Sunday, so I'm officially starting on Monday. So Sunday is the last basically cheat day. Also got some chicken breast, got 2 packs of that. We still need to get fish, we still need to get pork. And I also got these cups, mugs from Checkers as well, and they were very cheap. These were like 40 rands, but I don't think they are double walled. Yeah, they're not, but we got them because we broke the other ones we had. Also got some green tea, and then I got freeze bags because I'm going to be doing meal preps, which I will also be sharing with you guys. Got this crushed garlic and herb, absolutely love this. And topped up our toiletries, and then got Nala a bum cream, and this is, yeah, also very important, apple cider with the mother. Got this from Clicks as well. Absolutely love this stuff, especially when I'm detoxing or doing anything like that. Basically, that's all we got. So guys, I'm going to close off this vlog here for today. I'll just mix myself some gin and tonic, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll continue where we left off for now. Good morning. How are you today, guys? I hope you can hear me. I am on my way to go take off these nails, and I'm with Timu because I need to cut his hair. So I'm cheating on my nail tech basically because my nail tech is based in Braamfontein, and he's always full, like it's always full there by him. And the guy who cuts Timu's hair, there's a guy there who does nails. I haven't seen his work, so I'm just gonna ask him to remove these, and I'm gonna ask him to show me his work. And if I'm happy with it, then I will do my nails, but if I'm not, then I'm not gonna risk it. So I'm gonna do simple nails anyway, so any nail technician should be able to do my nails the way I want them done today. I have no wig on, but it's okay. So let's just go do my nails, and then when we come back today, what's happening, I want to go to China Mall. I need to buy lashes because I'm out of lashes. I also want to go, there's some content also that we need to film for Real Black Love, which is my other channel, our couple channel. We need to shoot content, and for that I think we're going to Midrand. I won't be sharing the content with you because we still need to put it up on that channel, but I will bring you guys along for the process. Other than that, that's what's happening today. What else do I need to buy today? Nothing. Maybe we need to buy meat as well, because yesterday we bought groceries but we didn't buy meat, so we'll also be doing that. And yeah, let's start the day, so that I can come back, we can get ready, and we can hit the road. This is me again. Reporting to you from the car, guys. I am so frustrated. Because I went there and they did my nails, right? First of all, this guy is more expensive than my guy. It's okay. I said to myself, no, maybe it's because I'm not driving to Bram, so it's okay. Secondly, okay, I see his pictures, they're okay, but nothing great. But I'm like, okay, you know what, let me give him the benefit of doubt. I'm gonna allow him to do my nails. Guys, let me tell you, this guy did my nails. I was happy, although I felt like he was quite slow, but I was happy with the progress. As he was about to finish, when he was putting the overlay, because I asked for black, I just said I just want black nails, and I showed him the shape. He decided to put glitter on my nails. Guys, I hate glitter. If I'm gonna have glitter, it has to be minimal, it has to be subtle, but he decided to put glitter without even asking me. And by the time I saw, he had already started, and I was just like, you know what, asking him to remove it will be a waste of my time, so I'm just gonna allow him, because he did it on this. But guys, I'm happy with the nails. Like, I actually think they're nice, I like them, but I just hate the glitter, and I'm just like, but why would you put glitter without asking me? I didn't throw a fit, because that's just not me. I was quite nice. I was just like, no, okay, just leave it on that one finger and whatever. But other than that, I love them, and I'm late. I need to go inside, get ready, eat something, get ready, and hit the road. So I'll see you guys now. Hi guys, welcome back. Mama. Hey, guys. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hey
Mama.
Hey.
Mama.
Hi guys. We are at Sentin now. We are at a place called Ghost Wings. We've ordered some food and we are waiting for them to deliver them here by the car. Basically, we've been waiting for some time. Not the best customer service. It sucks actually, but you know. From here, we are headed to Midrand. We are going to also try food from another place. But yeah, for now we wait. Still with the kids. Timu at the back, and Bongani went in to check if our food is ready. Luckily, I ate before we left the house earlier at about 12. It's 3 now. Luckily, I ate something. If this was my first meal, I'd be very angry and very mad right now. But you know what? It's okay. I'm just gonna show you what I bought while we were waiting. I went to a crazy store which is just behind us here. I'm gonna show you what we bought. So while waiting, I went into crazy store and I bought this cute cup. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I bought this cup. It was on sale. The original price was 25 rands and I got it for 16 rands, which, I mean, this cup is so me. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. And then I also got these 2 bottles. This one was 27 rands, but I got it for 15 rands. And this one was also 15 rands, and they come out with straws. I got them for our green smoothies because this week will be cleansing, will be detoxing. We are trying to fix our lives. So I got these 2 bottles, spent about 40 rands for everything, which is a bargain. It's a bargain. So yeah, that's what I bought.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no
welcome back to my channel, and today I'm with my friend. Her name is, introduce yourself, Chun.
Hi guys.
Hi
guys, my name is Hlenyiwe. On Instagram I'm Hlenyiwe_save. I don't have any other. Oh, so I must look here.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's so confusing. Oh, okay. my name on Instagram, my Instagram handle is _safe. It's so disturbing. Like,
Yeah, that's why people just flip it on the other side so that basket because it's distracting. I'm just used to it, to looking here.
Is it? Wow, you're a professional.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm _safe on Instagram. That's the only Instagram or account that I have. Any social media platform.
YouTube
that I'm
channel is
on.
coming soon. Please subscribe to her channel when it comes.
We're gonna have a lot of collaboration videos. When
She's
I do
about
decide to
fashion,
do it.
guys. Have you guys heard me saying anything about fashion? Yeah. Anyway, we are at Rosebank. We at Mug and Bean right now. We are about to have brunch because we've been running errands since morning. But yeah, this day has been lovely and some catch up. I haven't seen her since lockdown started. In fact,
Last year, November, December, when we had that function at work.
really?
Yeah.
Did you come at my place after that, or was it before that?
It was before. I haven't seen you since.
Sure. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Compliments.
Yeah, guys. Lovely day anyway. Super amazing to see her again. And yeah, we bought a couple of stuff. We're buying for our houses because we
Household.
are house people now.
Household content coming your way.
This girl is shopping for towels, guys. How old is she? Anyway, yeah, I'll show you a couple of stuff that
Pots
I
now
got.
make us excited when we see pots on sale. We're just like, oh my god! Now, then we know
It's
you-
crazy.
Then you
It's
know.
crazy. But I'll share with you guys what we got when I get home. But for now, we are just gonna enjoy our food, and we'll see you guys later.
You and I can weather any storm.
Hey guys, we haven't spoken since yesterday. The last time we spoke was at the restaurant, and I actually just wanted to come here and close this vlog because I'm starting another different vlog today. But before I close, I just wanted to show you this baby. I just wanted to show you this. It's basically a new blender that I purchased from Takealot, and they just delivered it now. I'm just going to open it. Quite big. And it also comes with this thing. I think this is like a spice blender type of thing, which is very useful. And it is plastic, but it feels like glass, like it feels heavy and it feels like it's great quality. It's my new baby. Absolutely love it. Feels like good quality. And it's 6 cups. It's 150, it's 1,500 milliliters, which is 1.5 liter, right? Yeah. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. If you want to see how the blender performs, if it's good or not, just make sure that you're subscribed because I will be making a lot of green smoothies, okay? If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And make sure that you are part of the family by clicking the subscribe button. Until next time, from me to you guys, with love. Guys, bye.